In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your turn signal / marker light. It acts as both, so let's get started. At the top here, if you look right next to the headlight securing tab, you'll see that you have either a screw or a bolt. For me, it happens to be a 7mm screw, but for you it might be a little different. Whatever you have, you're going to want to unscrew it. Make sure you don't lose it because you're going to need it to re-secure it. Once you do that, you can pull the assembly straight out. You may or may not need a trim tool for it to pry it out. It's got these two tabs that lock in, and now you can just unplug the connector for the bulb, or you can actually just twist the bulb out. At this point, you would want to replace it if needed, but if not, here's your marker light / turn signal assembly. Now grab your new one, slide the bulb in, and twist it to lock it in. Then you just want to line up these two tabs with their retainers, and then you can see this slot right here, right next to the J-nut for that securing screw. It just lines up with the body up here. Make sure that is all situated. Perfect. Now let's re-secure it up top. Nice and snug. Now test out your light.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.